In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Pepperstone. To begin, make sure you are already logged into your Pepperstone account. From there, open the Secure Client area. This is where you manage your profile, trading accounts, funding, and platform access. Once you are inside, complete your profile if any information is still missing. If your account has not been verified yet, go ahead and finish the verification process. This is an important step before using all account features, especially if you plan to trade with a live account. Next, open the Accounts section. Here you can view your existing trading accounts or create a new one. You can choose between a live account for real trading or a demo account if you want to practice first. Select the option that fits your needs and continue through the setup process. After your trading account is ready, go to the Funds section if you want to trade live. This is where you can deposit money into your account. Follow the available funding instructions and confirm that the deposit has been completed before moving on. Now, head to the Platforms section. From here, download and install the trading platform you want to use. Pepperstone supports several popular platforms, including MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, CTrader, and TradingView. Choose the one you prefer, then install it on your device. When the platform is installed, open it and sign in using the login details provided for your trading account. Be sure to select the correct server if that is required by the platform. Once you are logged in, you will be able to access live prices, charts, and trading tools. Next, open the Market Watch or Symbols panel. This is where you can browse the financial instruments available for trading. Find the instrument you want to trade and select it so you can view its chart or open an order. To place a trade, open a new order window. Enter your trade details, such as trade size and order type. Then choose whether you want to buy or sell. Review the information carefully, then place the order. After the trade is open, monitor your position from within the platform. You can track your account balance, open trades, and overall trading performance in real time. Keep an eye on your position and manage it according to your trading plan. When you are ready, close the trade from the platform. After that, review your completed trades and account activity so you can keep track of your results. That covers everything you need to know. Thanks for watching.